Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the bootable pen drives using command prompt. No need of any software or the bootable disk image. Just you need a setup files and a command prompt and a pen drive. Now I demonstrate to you how to prepare the bootable pen drives of Windows 7 or Windows Vista. This video doesn't work on the Windows XP. Now let's start with the opening the command prompt in the administrative mode. Type in cmd in the start menu. Here we get the command prompt. Right click on it, run it as an administrator. Here option we have the run as administrator. Click on it. Okay, now we are running the command prompt in the administrator mode. Next, make sure that you have inserted the pen drive. Right, it's right here, it's I drive. Okay, now let's proceed with the commands. Now we have to open the disk part of the command prompt. Now it's opening. Okay, next we have to list the disk, that available disk for to to create the bootable pen drive. Okay, okay, just observe it. The disk 1 is the pen drive and the disk 0 is the 149 GB. That's my hard disk. Never select the hard disk, you have to select the pen drive. Next step, you have to select the pen drive. Select disk 1. Okay, now we have selected the disk 1. Make sure that you are going to select the pen drive, not the hard disk. Okay, next command, we have to clean the pen drive by the command clean. Next, create the partition as primary. Okay, now we have successfully created the specified partition. Next step, we have to select the partition what we have created now. Partition 1, we have selected only 1. Okay, now this partition 1 has got selected. Next step, we have to make it active by the command active. Next, we have to format the pen drive in the file system. File system is equal to ntfs. Now we have to wait for a minute to pen drive to get formatted. Okay, now I am done with the formatting process in the file system ntfs. Now I have to assign the letter for the pen drive. That's I going to do it with the command assign. Okay, assign. Okay, it's gonna assign the new disk letter for the pen drive. We have to notice that my disk letter has changed from I drive to H drive. You have to use the H drive. The I drive no more exists. You have to make sure that you're gonna use the new disk letter of the bootable pen drive. Now we have to exit the disk part. Next step, you have to browse to the setup files. Now it's in the A drive. It's right here. Make sure that you have this boot folder with the bootsec executable file. If it doesn't exist, it cannot be made bootable. Make sure that you have this file. Then next, continue with the command prompt. Now just browse to the folder where we have this setup files. Next, it's right here. Okay, it's here, Windows 7. Open the directory, Windows 7. Okay, the next, boot directory. It's here, bootsec.exe. Now you have to assign this. You have to update the boot code in the bootsec executable file with my pen drive. That I'm gonna do with the command bootsec.exe/nt60h. You have to make sure that you're gonna type the disk letter. That's your pen drive disk letter, drive letter, that's H drive. It's not high drive, it was I drive, now it has changed to H drive. You have to type the H drive only. Okay, now we are succeeded with the command. Next, exit the DOS prompt. Just copy the whole content of the files to your pen drive. It's right here. Select all this files, copy it, just paste it. Now we are done with the boot process. Now we can boot the system and you can install Windows 7 through the pen drive. Thank you for watching video.